So for this problem, a right prism with a hexagonal base and one of its side is 7 meters. So one of the side of the hexagon is 7 meters and has a lateral edge of 13 meters. So this is now the lateral edge or the height, that's 13 meters. Then find the surface area and the volume. So to find the surface area using this formula, so we have 2 times the area of the hexagon because we have these two hexagons, the top and the base, then plus the lateral area, and to find the area of the hexagon using this formula, so 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter of the hexagon. So to find the apothem, so from the center of the hexagon to one side of the hexagon, so this is the apothem. Then to solve for the apothem, so if we draw a line from the center to this edge, so we're forming a right triangle, and from that right triangle, since one of the side of the hexagon is 7 meters, so therefore this is also equal to 7 meters and half of 7 meters, that's 3.5, and this is now angle theta. So this is angle theta, and this is the apothem. Then to find theta, so we can use this formula. So that's equal to 360 degrees because one rotation is 360, then over 2 times the number of sides. Since hexagon has 6 sides, so times 6. So we have 2 times 6 because one triangle divided by 2. So that's 2 times 6. And this is equal to 360 degrees divided by 12. So therefore, theta is equal to 30 degrees. So theta is equal to 30 degrees. Then using tangent theta or tangent 30 degrees, tangent because the given is opposite and the adjacent, so opposite over the adjacent, that's tangent. So the opposite is 3.5, then over the adjacent is the apothem. Then to solve for a, so cross multiply. So a, then tangent 30 degrees equals 3.5. Then divide both sides by tangent 30 degrees. So therefore A equals, so we have 3.5 divided by tangent 30 degrees. So the apothem is equal to 6.06 meters. Then to solve for the perimeter, so formula for the perimeter, so this is equal to 7 times the number of sides. Since we have 6 sides, so therefore the perimeter is equal to 42 meters. Then this time we can solve now for the area of the hexagon from this formula. So we have 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. So this is 1/2 and 1/2 is 0.5 times the apothem, that's 6.06, then times the perimeter, that's 42. So equals, so the area of the hexagon is 127.26 meter squared. So since we have the area of the hexagon, so we can find now the area or the lateral area, and formula for the lateral area, so that's the perimeter times the height. So to solve now for the lateral area, so we have now the perimeter, that's 42, times the height, that's 13. So that's 42 times 13 equals, so the lateral area is 546 meters squared. So since we have now the area of the hexagon and the lateral area, so we can find now the surface area. So again, the surface area is 2 times the area of the hexagon plus the lateral area. So this is 2 times the area of the hexagon, so 127.26, then plus the lateral area, that's 546. So the surface area for this hexagonal prism is 800.52 meter squared. Then to find the volume, so formula for the volume, so we have the area of the base or the area of the hexagon because the base is hexagonal. So the area of the base or the area of the hexagon times the height. So to find out the volume equals, so since the area of the hexagon is 127.26, then times the height, and the height is 13. So therefore the volume is equal to 1654.38 cubic meters.